Good morning students, this is the next problem. By changing into polar coordinates, evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral x to root of 2 minus x square x by x square plus y square into dy dx. So by changing into polar coordinates, we have to find the integral of this function. So given that integral 0 to 1 integral x to root of 2 minus x square. So these limits are variable limits, and in terms of x, so these belongs to y limits, and these limits belongs to obviously x limits. So therefore x limits are x equals to 0 to x equals to 1, and y limits are y equals to x to y equals to root of 2 minus x square. This limit is, observe this limit is under root of square root of 2 minus x square. If you take the squaring on both sides, y square equals to 2 minus x square. So therefore x square plus y square equals to 2. X square plus y square equals to root 2 whole square. This means with the radius root 2, the circle with center 0, 0 and radius root 2. So I told you already, if any one of the limit is in this form under square root of 2 minus x square, then it makes a circle. So x square plus y square equals to root 2 whole square with the center 0, 0 and radius r equals to root 2. Therefore, and by changing into polar coordinates, we have to find the integration. Changing into polar coordinates by putting or by taking x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta, and dx dy equals to r dr d theta. Okay, now we have to find the limits. R limits are r equals to c, radius x square plus y square equals to root 2 whole square. That means with center 0, 0 and radius root 2. Center 0, 0 and radius 2. So this is radius. Okay, radius 2 with the center 0, 0. So r equals to 0 to r equals to root 2. These are limits. And now theta limits. Now observe the theta limits. How to find the theta limits? From the given problem, x equals to 0 to x equals to 1. X equals to 0 to x equals to 1. This is the region. And y equals to x. X equals to lower limit become lower limit is x equals to 0. X equals to 0 means here. This means positive quadrant. So positive quadrant only. The region is in the positive quadrant only. And y equals to x. Y equals to x is a straight line. So with this region, okay, with this region we have to evaluate the integration. This is, if you observe this angle, pi by 4 to pi by 2. I repeat once again how to find the theta limits. So from the given limits, from the given problem, x equals to 0 to x equals to 1, lower limit x equals to 0, that means the region is in positive quadrant only. Okay, and y equals to x. Y equals to x means you know that y equals to x is a straight line. Okay, from this y equals to x to this, with respect to that means the region is in this angle only, from this to this. Okay, this angle is theta equals to pi by 4 and theta equals to pi by 2. So theta limits, theta equals to pi by 4 to theta equals to pi by 2. So finally we get r limits and theta limits. Now we find the integration. Both are constant limits. Now you can write anything. R equals to 0 to root 2 and theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2. So given that x equals to x means r cos theta by x square, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. into r dr d theta. So this equals to integral r equals to 0 to root 2 integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 r cos theta by, take r square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta into r dr d theta. R into r square get cancelled, cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So integral r equals to 0 to root 2 integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos theta by, cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, cos theta into dr d theta. First, both are constant limits, so you can integrate with respect to theta or with respect to r first. So now I am going to integrate with respect to theta. So integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos theta into d theta into dr. Integral of cos theta means sin theta. Limits theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 into dr. Integral r equals to 0 to root 2 sin pi by 2 minus sin pi by 4, upper limit minus lower limit, into dr. Integral r equals to 0 to root 2 sin pi by 2 means 1, sin pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 into dr. So 1 minus 1 by root 2 is constant, so you can write front integral r equals to 0 to root 2 dr. So 1 minus 1 by root 2 integral dr means r equals to 0 to root 2. So take LCM 1 minus 1 by root 2, or just you can write first to upper limit root 2 minus 0. This equals to 1 minus 1 by root 2 into root 2. Take LCM, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. Answer is root 2 minus 1. So this is the answer. So till this polar coordinates topic is completed. In the next video I am going to discuss about the triple integration.